I'm back with another video, and yes, I got the same old shirt on. I ain't jumping up and down, be changing those shirts all the time. But this time, I got some friend mail. You want to see what I got? Stick around, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm Cheryl. My channel is Around the House with Cheryl. And if you like lifestyle type videos, DIYs, cooking, decorating, what else do I do around here? Hauls. Oh yeah, hauls. Just keep watching, and I got a variety of things. If you just want to be jumping around the channels and you, like me, interested in a lot of things, you just check out some of my playlists on some of the things I do around here. So let's get started. I want to share some friend mail today. And this is from my good friend Maria over at Maria Cisernos Toth. And she does a lot of unboxing of toys and little things like that, and Disney. And like me, she loves Halloween. So she sent me a couple things, and I'm going to read the note here. It says, "Hi Cheryl, thank you so much for the Glamour Girl sketchbook. I'm not very artsy, but I love all the fashion stickers. I'm going to have fun. Also, thank you for all of the cute Halloween and Day of the Dead stickers. Never too early for Halloween, LOL. Here are a few things I wanted to send you. Hope you will enjoy them. These are some miniatures wrapped in the paper towels. Thanks again. Happy summer, Maria." I'm glad it's not fall before I finally got to this. But look, on the paper she sent it on. Let's see. Like me, she likes Halloween. There's Jack Skellington. And then you got the little dog. I can't remember the dog's name. I'm sorry. Is it Hero? Zero? I don't know. So let's see what she sent me. Okay, this is a cat screen cleaner. Okay, cute. Look at him. And look, it has the little thing on the back. You can wipe your screen, the phone, because my phone be getting crusty. But that is so cute. Thanks, Maria. And look, these are zipper bags, Hedgehog Fluffy Friends. And let's see, what do they do? Okay. They're die-cut zipper bag sheets. And I hadn't opened these yet. Let's open them and see what they look like. I'm saving this. I've been waiting to do this video. There's quite a few in here. Okay, there you go. Look, isn't that cute? And they're little like Ziploc bags. I'm not sure how to open them, but I will figure it out. But aren't they cute? And look, you see the Ziploc piece right there. But I can't get it open right now. I'm probably doing something wrong. But I'll figure it out. I guess you could put like little small things. They're probably good for travel. You want to put like some earrings or something like that in if you travel. And look at this fashion vintage bag. Yeah, Simplicity Vintage. And it is a pouch, a zipper pouch. See, look at all the fashion ladies from back in the day. They used to dress so nice back then. And they had hats to match and all that. Oh, she stuck some stuff in here. Thanks, Maria. Oh, look at this. This is a bookmark. Isn't that nice? Look, it has the tassel on the back. I'm going to link Maria down below. I just wanted to check in that bag just to make sure nothing else was in there. And then she gave me a microfiber mitten. I don't know. got too much dust around here. Look at it. It's so soft. Isn't that cute? A little bunny. Yeah, it's a cute rabbit. That's what it said. I don't know if I want to use that on my dust around here. And then I got this one. This is another cute rabbit, the pink one. Isn't it cute? It's soft. But I'm sure they're probably washable. I can't see, even though I got glasses sitting right here. And the last thing I got here, and I'll have to, I know I told you I was going to be back with a giveaway. I'm getting there, y'all. I go through phases of when I feel like doing videos. Oh, she gave me some miniature food. And one looks like a cookie. And I'm not sure if what this one is. Looks like some bread. And that's a piece of brownie or a pie with the sprinkles on it. Can y'all see that? It's a little blurry. Oh, and there's another piece of bread and one of those cookies. That's cute. And another piece of bread and some more desserts. So those are super cute. Thanks, Maria. I actually made some miniature food before. I may share that with y'all. You know, I get into craft projects, and once I make it, I don't do it anymore. I just want to know that I can do it. So, that's everything on this friend mail from Maria. Please check out her channel. She does a lot of different things, especially if you like. She does some hauls as well, but she does a lot with toys. If you like miniatures and toys, be sure to check her out. And I want to quickly mention back here my new sign. It says Around the House with Cheryl. Don't forget to like, comment. What did I say? Oh, subscribe and share. This one I wanted to give away from Karen Deneen. So, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.